In this tutorial, I will teach you how to access WHM panel and how to buy VPS hosting from a good company. So let's begin with this. I have a company, HostGator.in. This is a company which is providing a really good support. They have their toll-free number on which you can call 24x7, and they provide you very quick support and 100% customer satisfaction. Also, they provide you the support with live chat, and you can also raise a ticket for the further support. Here you can see the VPS hosting. They provide VPS hosting with different levels, and the benefit of VPS hosting is if your business is growing, if a number of people is coming to your websites and your users of per day is more than 1 lakh, then the shared hosting cannot handle that. At that time you have to decide and you have to take the VPS plan. I recommend you level 5 plan, because if you are leaving the shared hosting from HostGator company, then you have to purchase the level 5, because the level 2 is equivalent to shared, so there is no benefit because the CPU process is not too high. In level 5 it is a very good configuration, but the cost is a little bit high from other companies, but the support and everything is really good. They provide you dedicated name servers and a dedicated IP. Also, you can take the interface, the cPanel, which for that you have to pay 450 rupees plus tax extra. Here you have to, if you are handy to the putty and you can handle the server, Apache server and the SQL by yourself, then you do not need to purchase this cPanel. But if you are not very used to with these technologies and you don't know how to use putty and how to install the server and the commands, etc., then you have to take this cPanel, which will give you a really easy interface. After this you have to click on the next button. Here you have to put your domain name if you already have. If you don't have, they provide you a one.com free domain with this hosting according to the promotion which is going on now. So I have a domain already for my business, so I am continuing for the checkout. Now after providing the domain name, here is the order summary. The minimum duration of the VPS plan, you can choose 1 month, which will cost you 4,445, but the HostGator always run promotion, sometimes 50%, sometimes 20%, so it depends on the time. So for 20 they have Sunshine. This is the promotional code which you can apply to take 20% discount. Also they are running this offer. If you will buy VPS for 2 months, then you will get it for 1 month additional for 3 months. It's a good, but if you want to take a try, then you can purchase this for 1 month after applying this coupon, and it will cost you 5,036 rupees only. And here's the safety of money. If you don't like the plan, if you don't like the services of this company, you can delete your account and you can take your money back anytime. Let's continue with this. Now if you are new to HostGator, you have to create a new account. Here it will take another 1 minute, and after creating the account it will redirect you to the payment method, where you can choose any payment method like debit card, credit card or net banking. Also you can use PayPal. After making the payment successfully, they will send you a confirmation mail with the detail. Let me show you the mail. I purchased this hosting before 1 month, and you will get such mail. So friends, after completing the payment, you will get one mail from the company side. They will have one URL of this VZ account, and one of your cPanel, which get activate after 2 hours from the time you will get the mail. And here, if you do not purchase the cPanel, then you have to insert your user ID and password, which you will get via email from the company. If you know about the technologies, you want to work with Putty and Apache, and you want to install MySQL with the Putty commands, then you can do it from here. And otherwise, if you purchased this cPanel after paying the 450 rupees plus tax, then you can use this WHM panel. I will provide you the tutorial related to WHM in this video. And if you want to see the tutorial related to this Putty and how to install Apache and MySQL, then you can see my further tutorials. So let's disconnect this one, and let me cover this WHM first. Here, after visiting this home page of WHM, you have to create one package. The benefit of WHM is you can create a number of packages, a number of cPanels with the help of this WHM panel for the different companies with the different login ID and password for the separate cPanels. Let's give a name, any name to this package. I'm giving the daily need, and you have to select this quota, everything. I recommend do not make any change here. And let's create the ad. I have already created one package, so I will not click on this button. After making a package, you have to create a new account. Then create a new account. Here you have to type your domain name, your user ID and password which you want for this account, and the password must be a strongest one for the security purposes, and everything will be same, and you have to create this new account. The next step will be the list accounts. After creating this, it will automatically add here, and from here you can visit to the cPanel. I am taking a login from this WHM account, so it is not asking for the user ID and password. So, but if you will access it directly, it will ask the user ID and password which you have given while creating a new account. By default, it gives you this interface. It is the paper lantern, and which is quite complicated according to me, so I prefer to switch it to X3 from here, which I already did, but by default you will get this interface. Now here we go. If you want the tutorial from the beginning, you can watch these, otherwise you can click do not show me again, and no, I'm fine, thanks. Here, if you are if you want to install the WordPress on your account, or you want to upload your other PHP files or any files, you can visit to this file manager and you can do that. And first what you have to do is you have to click to add on domain, and you have to type your domain name, and you can create the FTP subdomain, and the root path will come automatically. Let me show you if I am creating it for my domain. So the rest of things will come automatically. This is the FTP user. Now after adding your new domain, You can do anything. You can upload files on this file manager, or you can create one new webmail of your company like info@dailyneed.in, or as per your choice. And the rest of the things will be same as we was doing in the shared hosting. So for this tutorial, you can, if you want the further information related to this cPanel, you can watch my shared hosting tutorials. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.